So what you can also do while you're masking inside of HitFilm's composite shot is do multiple masks for the same footage. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around and select out the footage over here in the timeline area, and then what you need to do is you need to go around and make out your first mask over here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and create out a rectangular mask. So I selected out a rectangular mask, and I can create a mask, as you can see right here. I can go ahead and click and drag again, and I have my second mask over here, as you can see right here. Similarly, I can go around and add it in a rounded rectangle mask right here and add in a corner radius, and you can see that as I make these masks, you do see multiple masks right here, and you can enable and disable out these masks right here one by one, and then they get combined right here at the end. Let me just go around over here onto star right here and then click and drag it, and then you got the star mask over here as well. You can work around with the points, you can work around with the ratio, you can work around with the roundedness right here, just like this, as you want, as you can see, and that is what you have. But what you can do with the mask is you can go around and individually move them out as well and enable and disable out the mask, of course. But here there is another thing, as you can see. So everything is right now set to add, as you can see. That means whatever mask I create, it'll actually reveal out the contents right here. But what you can also do is you can go around over here and then, let's say, for example, subtract right here. That means it'll actually go around and subtract it out. Let's just go around onto add, and if you were to go to subtract, then it is opposite. You can go around and go to replace right here, as you can see, or intersect right here, just like this, and change around how these masks actually behave right here. None means it actually goes around and simply does not do anything. But if I were to go around onto mask first, which is this one right here, as you can see, let's just go around and then work around with darken right here. It simply becomes dark and intersect and so forth. Let's just go around onto add, and let's just go around onto the top hand mask right here. So let's just go around onto darken, and what happens is that you can see that it only shows up this particular mask, the topmost mask right here. The other masks are still applied, but you can see that it is more like a darkened form right here. Let's just go around and then change around the scale of this particular mask right here, just like this. So as I increase this, you can see that this is what you have right here when you're darkening it out right here. Then you got intersect right here, which goes around and intersects it out right here. So let's just go around and then add in another footage over here at the bottom, so you can see what is actually happening as well. So you can see that it is intersect right here, and both of them are working at like the same one right here. So you can go around and darken this and intersect this right here, just like this, to get the effect only. You can also go around and lighten it right here. So let's just go around and lighten it, and then you can see that more of the parts actually goes around and combines together right here, just like this. So let's just go around both onto add right here, just like this, and once you do that, you get the overall effect over here, just like this right there. And now you can also go around and then, let's say, for example, replace it out right here, so that you only see you don't see any mask beneath it right there. Then you got subtract right here, which actually goes around and subtracts out the mask right here, just like this. So let's just go around and disable this, and you can see that as I go around, all the masks beneath it, it gets subtracted. And over here you can see that as I go around and move up the layer top and bottom, you can see that the way how the mask effects actually changes as well. So what you need to what is mostly used is the add and subtract, and you can play around with the rest and you'll understand even more on how they will actually work. But you can see that subtract will actually go around and subtract out the mask beneath it right here, just like this. So let's just go around and delete out all the masks, and let's say I'm going to do something like this. So I'm just going to go around and take an elliptical mask right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and make another elliptical mask over here, just like this. So if I want to give it a moon shape, then I can go around and subtract it out right here, just like this, and I can go around and take an elliptical mask and go around and just select add, and you can see that you got this type of mask right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, shape, and then feather it out right here, and only that mask is affected, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around right here onto this particular shape and then change around the feather right here just like this, and I'm going to go around over here as well onto let's say for example this one right here onto this mask, and then I'm going to go around onto transform, and then I'm going to, let's say for example, onto shape and change around the feather just like this as well. And this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can go around and utilize out multiple masks and then apply multiple masks to your footages in a composite shot inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.